What's up, y'all? It's your girl Breezy Acrylics, and I'm back with another video. Whether you are new or returning, thank you so much for doing so. You are greatly appreciated. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply chrome powder. Let's get straight into it. Now, what you're going to do first is go ahead and apply your base. I have this lovely pink gel polish that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and draw a French tip as my first design. While that is curing, I'm going to tell you guys about everything else you'll need. You'll need your preferred chrome powder and your preferred gel polish that you'll be using to put under the chrome. All right, now that we have our first design cured, we're going to go ahead and wipe it down with acetone. So go ahead and wipe it down with acetone. Don't leave anything behind. Now that we got our design clean, we're going to go ahead and draw our second design. I'm just going to freestyle something really quickly. All right, I have no idea where I was going with that. But as you can see, we are done with our second design. We're gonna go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. We still need that tacky layer in order to apply the chrome. All right, so we do have that design applied. We're gonna go ahead and apply our chrome now. And it should go right only on the design that is tacky, AKA the second design that we drew. All right, go ahead and dust her off. You shouldn't have to do much, but I'm extra, so literally came off instantly. Amazing, I love it. That concludes this video. If this video was helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have anything that you would like to see on my channel, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.